Hey everyone! In this short informative video, I will tell you what is suggested for you means on Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. And do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Have you ever wondered why certain posts, videos, or articles show up in your Facebook newsfeed as suggested for you? Suggested for you on Facebook refers to personalized content recommendations generated by Facebook's algorithm based on your online activity and profile information. These suggestions are designed to enhance your experience on the platform by introducing you to people, groups, events, and pages that align with your interests and online behavior. Well, that's where the suggested content feature comes into play. This content isn't chosen by your friends or pages you follow but rather recommended by Facebook's algorithm based on your online activity and interests. Facebook's smart algorithms analyze your activity, interests, and connections to recommend content that it believes you might find interesting or relevant. Facebook suggests individuals who might be familiar to you based on mutual friends, workplace, school, or shared interests. Facebook analyzes your data like your likes, comments, shares, clicks, searches, and even the time you spend on certain types of content. After that, it combines this data with information about your friends, groups, and pages you follow. And then the Facebook algorithm predicts what kind of content you might be interested in and shows you that in the suggested for you sections. This can include posts, videos, articles, pages, groups, and events. The goal is to keep you engaged by showing you content you're likely to find interesting or relevant. While suggested for you can be a helpful way to discover new content you might enjoy, it can also be frustrating if you see things you're not interested in. If that happens, you have some options. For this, you can hide posts, snooze a page or group, and control your ad preferences. To hide posts or snooze a page or group, click the three dots in the top right corner of a post and select Hide Post or Snooze a Page or Group. By understanding how suggested for you works in managing your settings, you can get the most out of this feature and ensure your Facebook experience is filled with content you actually enjoy. Hope this video helped you. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment box.